Hi, my name is Nathanie Dulchan. I am a sunny student and you can count on me to shine. Panacool.com helped me to shine in my schoolwork. It helps me preparing for my exam. What I like about Panacool.com is it is fun, educational, and you can win lots of prizes. I also shine in my hobby, dancing. It is fun, enjoyable, and lets me express myself. In everything I do, you can count on me to shine.